So let's click the FolioTech link, Presentation, ePortfolios, Create Portfolio, type in the name of the portfolio, and this is important here. We want to select a template. So we go down to Lead 540. There might be a number of them that show up, but any of those that will work. I'm going to select the Lead 540. You could see one that says Lead 540 template, but the main thing that you want to select is the Lead 540 portfolio. So when we select that, you'll notice all the menus come up for the new portfolio. To complete that, let's click the check mark. Okay, you've now created your portfolio. The next thing to do is click Save, and then Share It Now. Okay, you type in my name, my email address. When does the share begin? Just select today's date. And then any message. Okay, you're ready to share by just clicking the check mark. It prompts you once, are you sure? Click the check mark. It is now saved. It is now shared with me. So from here, let's go back to our ePortfolios. Click the Edit button. And now you can continue editing your portfolio. So one of the first things to do is simply type in your name and the rest of this pertinent information. The main reason of the portfolio is to share the work that you've performed over your degree program. And you do that by uploading files. So I'm going to delete this text here and actually upload a file to my resume to this section on this page. So I'll go to Files, Add a File from my computer. So click the check mark, and now you'll see that it shows up right here. So now all you have to do is drag it underneath the resume, click, and you can have it in line where it shows the resume or link. I'm going to select link. So now this file is stored in FolioTech in your files folder. So it's linked from here simply to the files folder. So now when I review it, I will just click that link. So that's how you upload a file to a particular page on your portfolio. So these are the rest of the files that you will be uploading to this page. One of the big features of your portfolio will be to upload the particular hats. So you'll notice there are 4 different categories here based on your product matrix categories. So those files or those hats that you selected in those categories, you will actually upload to these various goals sections. So let's just click into one of the first one, Analyze Performance. So the procedure is the same. The first thing you want to do is come down here and get ready to create a space to upload a hat. Now we'll come up here to Files. Notice it defaults to the Uploads folder because all the files that are uploaded to this portfolio will be in the Uploads. So we'll click the plus button, hit Upload, navigate in this case to the desktop, and there's the 341 hat. Click it, click Open or double click it, click the plus button. You'll see that it shows up in the uploads, but it is also in your all files. So the next thing to do is simply to point to it, and drag it down to where you want it to be, click, and click link in this case. So now you've linked this file to your files in your portfolio. So the next thing you want to do is type in the file name, and here's where you'll write a brief description of the hat product. Now you can go ahead and delete this information because you won't need that in the final version of your product. Okay, so here we've got the file uploaded. Here we have the name of the hat and the brief description. That would be about a paragraph, just describing the product itself. Don't forget to click Save and Merge with Shared. Now I'll see the updated part of your portfolio. So all the rest of the goals are managed the same way, where you upload the different hats and write about them. And then there's a section on the fieldwork experience. So there again, pertinent information here. So this is where you upload the contract. So this is the fieldwork supervisor. You write their name, write my name here, and then here upload your contract. You remember, here's your activity log, and you only really need to upload the final activity log. Now your midterm and the final evaluation for your fieldwork supervisor are uploaded here, and then your Hallmark assessment task paper is uploaded here. So those are the files in the fieldwork experience section. And then you have a summary statement section, and you'll write briefly about those in each one of those areas. It's just a short forwarded words. So then to review, you type in the pertinent information in the introduction, upload the various needed files, and then for each one of the goals, you upload the pertinent hats that you get from the product matrix, and you write a little bit about each one of those. So every time that you make a change, you don't have to complete everything in one setting. As long as you click Save and then Merge with Shared, I will see the updated version of your portfolio. If you don't do that, I won't see the updated version. So that's the explanation on how to create your portfolio, enter text into the different boxes, and upload pertinent files in each one of the sections.